maybe someone saw you type your passcode, or you shared it once and now regret it. If there's even a small chance your iPhone 17's passcode is compromised, updating it right away is the safest move, and it only takes a moment. Here's how to change it. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode to access the security menu. Once inside, scroll down and tap Change Passcode. Enter your current passcode again when prompted. Then type your new 6-digit passcode. Make sure it's something strong and not easily guessable, and keep a copy stored somewhere safe. Re-enter the new passcode to confirm it. Your iPhone 17 will now use this updated passcode for unlocking your device, confirming purchases, and approving security changes. If you want your old passcode to stop working immediately, tap Expire Previous Passcode now. If not, you can keep it active for a short time in case you need it to recover your new passcode. And that's it. Your new iPhone is now secured with a fresh passcode. If this video helped you keep your iPhone 17 safe, give it a like, or watch another tutorial to learn more ways to protect your new iOS device.